F5 F250. We're gonna be removing these 4 screws, this one here, that one there. There's 2 more down here. They're kind of hard to get to, you'll need an extension. These 4 screws are 5.5 millimeters, and we're gonna start by taking those out first. Set those to the side. Let's get to these ones down here that are real tricky. Those are both loose, just haven't dropped yet. Should just pull out from there. Might be a little tricky getting it past the grill. I might have to remove the grill from it. And then this is going to be your low and high beam that you'll be removing. You can unplug it from there or remove it completely by just twisting it, pulling it out. These ones are, I believe, are your turn signal and your running light. And I believe we'll just unplug it from over here. Over here there's a little clip. Might be easier to get a little screwdriver to undo it. You'll want to get a screwdriver and press that little clip right there to pop it out. I don't have one on me, so we'll try and get it off. Maybe we just rotate it. Oh, there we go. I'll just undo it like that. Just unplugs from the headlight itself. Set that down. Turn signal's the same way. So unplug it, and then you got. We're gonna be putting these aftermarket F250 for 05 Ford pickup. I'm gonna put these headlights, these new ones in, install them. I already took out the old headlight. We're gonna be plugging in the headlights. This plugs in to here. And the turn signal, this little one, goes over here in this little hole over here. Gonna find the right, there we go. Spin it in. I think that's in there. And then this guy, the running light. This one will just squeeze in there. There we go. It's all it's part of it. And then we'll go and try and put this into place. Might be tricky getting it by the grill. This was unscrew the grill. What I did first to start by doing the headlight installation, I took out the 4 screws that are on the top of my grill. They're just 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's just so the grill pulls back a little to give you some more wiggle space to try and get the headlight in. This isn't any special grill, it's a stock grill, and I just put the mesh in, so it's just like a stock grill for a Ford. But anyways, we're gonna take the headlights, we're gonna put in the turn signal first. It's a small one, it goes right over here on the little hole. Might be tricky getting it in, finding the right. Then we're gonna get the running light, which is this bulb with the rubber boot. I'm gonna push it in there. That went in pretty easy. And then the headlight, this is an aftermarket LED, which there's a bunch of more longer cables, but your OEM ones are just a bulb. So this just plugs into the headlight. Gonna find where it goes, then you twist it in. And then we try and wiggle this thing in. to the right spot. It's tricky trying to line it up the first time. Figure out which way to do it. There we go. That went in perfect. And we'll take these screws, put them back in the top. Put it on, tighten. It's a 5.5 millimeter socket. Tighten that up. That one's tight. This one, we'll throw this one in here. The other two. There we go. Tighten that one up. There we go. It's tight. It's solid in there. You can put your grill back after you're done. Still have to do the other side, so I'm gonna leave it off.